It's been a great turnout so far. I didn't really know what to expect because last year I came as a visitor. So I was kind of like just watching everybody do what they were supposed to be doing. But this year I'm a part of it. I'm interpreting.
Okay, so the point of this event is to promote awareness in Northeast Ohio of the deaf community, to get the hearing community involved, in Akron, Canton, everyone. We really want to show that deaf people aren't just a disability group, we're a diverse cultural group. We have fun. We really just want to show everyone about our culture, our knowledge, and how to better succeed in the future. So the Kent State students are wonderful. They come here eager to learn and socialize and get real world experience. They learn how to approach a deaf person, how to communicate better, and really interpret the communication from one culture to the deaf culture. And it gives them a lot of exposure before they graduate, which allows them to become a better interpreter in the future.
It's great. You have people walk up like, "Are you an interpreter? Great, I need your help." And you feel like, yes, I've helped this person accomplish hearing what everyone else can hear right now. It's something I can't stop doing even if I tried. My hands don't stop moving.
Most of my experience today has been working with Casey, and so that's a little bit of a different thing because I'm giving the community of people who are not deaf access to Casey and what he has to say. In other places and in other stations, we're giving deaf people access to what the hearing people are saying. It's a really cool opportunity to kind of flip the script and be able to give other people access to Casey and all of the knowledge and all of everything that he has to share about deaf culture and American Sign Language. Deaf people really enjoy communicating. Historically, deaf people tend to be left out of the greater community, and so we really just want to feel like the same as everyone else. Last year I was approached by a deaf family, and they have seen, they've come here, but they've never really had the chance to understand, things that are on the screen or what's happening during the elephant crossing. They just don't get all of those details. And that's really why we set up Deaf Day and brought in all these interpreters from different colleges to really help provide access to that information. And then when that happens, deaf people begin to realize that they're no longer left out, and that's really my goal in this event.